If Tiger Woods were going to buy a home in North Metro Atlanta, this is one I would recommend. Now, the driveway might be a bit of a challenge. He has had some very well publicized struggles behind the wheel, but that one con is more than offset by all the pros. First of all, the address is 711 Eaglesmere Court in Alpharetta. What address could possibly be more lucky for a golfer? And it is a stunning home right on Lake Windward. It's just across the water from the Golf Club of Georgia. It's 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, 6,492 square feet of living space on just under an acre, listed for $2,999,000 by Sally Grafe with Atlanta Communities. Look at the awesome vaulted beam ceiling in this sitting room / library. It's BYOB, bring your own book. The libations are already provided to lubricate great conversation. We have a lavish fireside dining area in the sweeping open concept living space. I love all the rich dark wood accents. They add a clubby warmth to the modern interior. Notice the texture and detail on the leathered granite topping the massive kitchen center island. It's a perfect fit for the expansive prep space equipped with every amenity a gourmet desires. Brand new, oversized Sub-Zero refrigerator, professional grade gas range with a pot filler, of course, tons of high-end custom cabinetry, gorgeous contrasting black leathered granite, and you get a little sneak peek of the views of Lake Windward. How would you like to have this as your view when you're cleaning up after dinner? The house is well laid out to maximize the enjoyment of the scenery. You've got a big bay window breakfast nook to capture panoramic lakefront vistas. Windows and glass doors in the living room that's bright and welcoming. A beautiful fireplace flanked by built-in bookshelves. A wonderful space for entertaining your friends and family. The mudroom has built-in drop zone cabinets. There is a huge powder room, convenient for guests and for personal use when you enter from the garage. Lake Windward is a 200-acre lake, 6.5 miles of shoreline. It's private, only accessible by Windward homeowners and their guests, but they can use it for sailing, other non-motorized boating, like stand-up paddleboarding, which my wife is obsessed with. It's also great for fishing. Let's go out and have a closer look. There is a huge back deck to enjoy it all from, a pass-through from the kitchen for serving food and drinks out here. Great space for grilling and outdoor dining. And just take this in. This home has 120 feet of shoreline, a dock for an electric pontoon boat, a fire pit. And one of the reasons I think it would be so great for Tiger is the renowned Golf Club of Georgia course is just across the water. He could kayak or paddleboard over for a round of golf without ever having to get behind the wheel. It makes for a pretty amazing lifestyle that you obviously don't have to be Tiger Woods to enjoy. It's an amazing family layout, and it's zoned for Alpharetta High School, which gets a perfect 10 out of 10 rating on great schools. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms here on the upper level. This is the spacious primary suite. It really has ample visual character with its tray ceiling, brick fireplace, amazing lake views, of course, with a wall of windows to enjoy them from and to bathe the space with natural light. And you also have your own private deck, so you can roll out of bed and experience this every single morning. I'm going to zoom in and give you a closer look at the golf course just across Lake Windward. Really beautiful. This would be such an amazing vantage point to sit and watch the sunrise or set. What do you think? Could you see yourself embracing the lake life and still be only minutes from downtown Alpharetta and Avalon? The primary bath is larger than my first apartment, and it has the luxury spa vibe. Designer soaking tub perched by a window, oversized frameless glass shower. Hey there. Dual vanity topped with luxurious patterned granite. The water closet alone could make an adequately sized bathroom. And of course, there is a spacious walk-in closet decked out with a custom organization system. If you have a future Tiger Woods in your family, or really any aspiring professional artist or athlete, there is a school in Alpharetta called Rivers Academy that's well known for its flexible scheduling combined with rigid academics. It's ideal for kids whose extracurricular pursuits don't really fit with traditional school schedules. They happen to have a pretty dominant golf team. plus teams in a few other sports, and they've got an amazing record of sending kids to pretty great colleges. It's one of several excellent private schools that complement the amazing public schools in this area. This room definitely supports the Tiger Woods theme. It has an amazing golf simulator. You can play around at Pebble Beach without leaving the comfort of your home. And another really cool thing about this bedroom is you can have something cool like this without giving up your sleeping space, because there is a really fun loft. It's a kid's dream bedroom, and look at this. There is a window-accessed Juliet balcony, the perfect spot for attempting to hit a golf ball across Lake Windward. Paddleboarders beware. The home has over 3,000 square feet of finished space in the walkout basement. This room would make an incredible teen lounge. Every kid in the neighborhood would want to flock here. There are 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath on this level. I guess I could have also done a Roger Federer theme for the tour. This home is a recreational athlete's dream. You have backyard access and more beautiful outdoor living space, including a fantastic covered patio. The layout of the square footage in the basement gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility in what you want to do. You can have an awesome home gym, hobby rooms, a media room, multi-generational living space, really anything you want to prioritize. It works as a dream home for families, empty nesters, or even renowned golfers. Think how easy it would be to change the 711 address on the front gate to 911, so you would always know the number to call if you crashed into the gate post, even if you were a little impaired. I'm Brian Prewitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you this beautiful property in person. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I hope you enjoyed the tour.